Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe by all means to the channel? It helps other people know when I post videos. Well, this is the first time I ever made this, and I've always wanted to try it in the oven. So what I did was I took, I think 6 or 7 eggs, that's all I had left, and I wanted to use them up. Put them into the Ninja blender, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, everything all to taste. Mix that really well for about 30 seconds. Then in the silicone muffin container that I had, I took a pre-cooked sausage patty from the Banquet family and popped those into the air fryer for around 8 minutes until they were cooked. Put one sausage patty on each one of the containers. And the mold itself, there was 6 large ones. Then I took the egg mixture, I poured it into a measuring cup to make it easier to pour. And then I filled up each one with the egg right over the sausage. And then I popped everything on a sheeting pan in the oven for 350 for 30 minutes. And they just came out of the oven. And this is what they look like. Had a cute little muffin tin. Now I have 5 left. So what I'm going to do with the 5, I'm going to put them in a Pyrex container with a lid in the refrigerator, and I'll have these throughout the day if I'm hungry for a snack. And just pop one open. So why don't we cut it open first? So without further ado, let's flip the camera around, and from this point on, you'll hear me just talk. Hey, well, I got the camera centered, and now we're going to just take a knife. I'm going to cut it open a little bit, and we'll take a bite out of one. See it cut right, really easy. Let's do the taste test. So they're very, very good, and they taste really good. Now I would suggest maybe you could put bacon in the as a filler. And you can see the egg mixture, the sausage rose a little bit, floated, and then it completely covered the bottom, and then it, of course, a nice crusty brown crust at the top. And it tastes really good. I like it. Definitely going to be making these from time to time. If you weren't doing BBBE and just keto, you could probably take some cheese and put cheese on top. You could put bacon in here, chicken in here, almost really any kind of meat, and it would work. But and you could eat it just plain. And I made these in the Instant Pot, but not with the sausages before. So definitely going to be making this again. And now I got enough meal for a few snacks if I'm hungry. And I'm going to have this, enjoy this, and then we're going to have a great day. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a great day. Okay, so what we got going on here, guys, we got the sausage patties from the Banquet family. And we're going to pop that in the air fryer for about 7 or 8 minutes. And while we got that going on, we're going to get our eggs going, and we're going to get ready to bake that in the oven on our silicone mat. So let's get that going into the air fryer. Remember, the goal is to limit as many carbs as you can. So we got some eggs in our little Ninja blender over here. We're gonna put some salt and pepper in, everything to taste. About a half a teaspoon of each. A little more salt. Remember, salt's okay to use. And we're gonna use a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of onion powder. That noise you hear is my cat playing, and I have some sausages going into the air fryer. A little bit of onion powder. Garlic powder. Just like that. Eggs look like there. I have this silicone muffin container that I bought off Amazon. Really love it, using it, and I use it quite often when I'm baking. And we're going to spray each mold with a little bit of cooking spray. You see, our sausages are cooked. Each one, and put it in the bottom like that, because these are going to bake off in the oven anyways. Just like that. Now let's fill each one with the egg mixture. So we had just enough egg mixture for our molds. Let's pop that into the oven for about 40 minutes. Hey guys, so our sausage egg muffins are done. So why don't we pop one of them out onto a plate, and the rest of them we'll put into a container. They're coming out nice and easy for me. This is the backside, looks like. That'll be the one we'll sample. I'll put that right on the middle part of my plate. Let's take those and put those in a container.